We've all heard the joke. There are two seasons in North Dakota, winter and road construction. Well, today I'm going to add a third, pothole season, which is currently in full bloom. Today we're going to talk about potholes and how they impact your vehicle and what we can do to fix it. It's Tech Tip Tuesday. We swerve around them, slow down to go over them, and pray that nothing broke after hitting the last one. Potholes. Even though you may not have broken anything on your last encounter, there can still be damage. And over time, this damage can really do a number on your vehicle's alignment. So let's talk about the importance of a good alignment. Keeping your wheels aligned will prevent premature tire wear. It will provide optimum fuel efficiency and ensure proper vehicle handling. So how can you tell when your vehicle needs an alignment? Well, the first sign of something being wrong usually shows up on your front tires, which develop unusual wear patterns that will severely shorten the life of the tire. It's something we check during every routine maintenance visit here at Ryan Honda. Another telltale sign that you may need alignment is if your vehicle veers off-center when driving. If it gets too bad, your vehicle will become dangerous to drive. So if you notice this starting to happen, schedule an alignment check right away. Even if nothing appears to be off, it is still a good idea to have your vehicle aligned at least once a year. If we've learned anything on these Tech Tip Tuesdays, it's that preventative maintenance is a whole lot cheaper in the long run than paying for more costly breakdowns. So if pothole season is taking a toll on your vehicle, we'd be happy to help. Simply give us a call here at Ryan Honda of Minot or schedule your alignment service online at ryanhondaminot.com.